tawag mo doon, start of the year, fixing my home office, but yeah, it looked like I messed it up more. But hopefully I will finish this soon. Hopefully soon, ha. So as I was going through my things, I saw that syempre maalikabok and all. So medyo, you know, matake yung stuffy nose and all those things, minsan scratchy throat. These things would have us right now parang make us paranoid because of everything that's going around. So to the rescue, of course, are my trusted, effective, pure, premium essential oils. What I usually prepare if we have this stuffy nose is a nasal inhaler. It's very easy to do. You only need blank inhalers and of course essential oils. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. What do we need when we make our DIY inhaler? Make sure that you have your cover and then you have your inhaler tube, okay, and then you have your cotton wick. This is where you place your essential oils, and then of course it should have a what do you call this, cap, okay, to close off. So make sure that when you buy, your black inhaler has 4 parts. I love to make my black inhaler for respiratory support using the LLP. I have here the lemon, lavender, and peppermint. I love to mix these 3 because together, when they synergize, they just have this wonderful effect when it comes to our respiratory function. So what's in the lemon? Why is it good for my inhaler? Of course, lemon is sunshine in a bottle. If you get a sniff of lemon, you will immediately feel its benefit. You will find that it invigorates you. The constituents of lemon help us reduce the gunk, where it passes by. Okay, so I love putting lemon not only in my inhaler, also for my drinking waters. Lavender, if you had been using your essential oils already, has a very calming and relaxing scent. So not only is this very effective in allowing you to sleep, this is also good to subside or lower down your body's reaction to anything that makes it wacky. And of course, peppermint. Anyone who has peppermint can swear by how this essential oil really relieves, right, stuffy nose and any wackiness in there. Before you make your inhaler, make sure that your hands are clean. We are now ready to make our LLP inhaler. So first, you get your cotton wick. I usually put 5 to 6 drops of each oil. Okay, so it's as easy as that. And now place the cotton wick inside the inhaler tube. Put on the cap. Yeah. Make sure you securely locked it, and then cover it. So you now have your LLP inhaler. I love to call this my clear inhaler because it always clears my nose. See, it's so easy to make your own inhaler. Don't forget to label, okay? Just make sure that what you're putting inside are pure, premium essential oils. So that's it for today. If you were able to make your own inhaler, please share your recipe as well. Bye! Be blessed!